Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can secure your subwoofer box in the trunk of your Ford Mustang without drilling any holes in your car. And for the purpose of my application, I just want to make sure that the subwoofer box here in the trunk of my Mustang does not tip over forward or backward under heavy acceleration or under heavy braking. This is in no way going to secure your box from flying around in case of a unfortunate crash. So without any further delay, let us get down to business. Now, in an ideal world, if I would be, thinking about securing the subwoofer box in the trunk of the Mustang while the box was being designed, I would have actually drilled holes over here. So two on each side, a total of four holes with a bolt through it and some anchor plates, because that would have been the best method. But unfortunately for me, I have already, carpeted the box, making it look great, installed the subwoofers, and then came the afterthought of securing the box inside the trunk. So I came around with this workaround. So this is a cam buckle strap going around, and I have created kind of a loop. So one loop is here and one loop is here behind. So two loops which are kind of the anchor points. Again, in an ideal world, perfect solution would be to make sure that you have some anchor plates while you're designing the box and drill holes right through, attach it with proper bolts and washers on either side. So let us assume this is one anchor point on the box, here is another anchor plate on the box, and you have one over here and one over here. So a total of four anchor plates on your subwoofer box. So here it is. We are now inside the Ford Mustang. We have removed the bottom of the rear seat and the back as well. You will notice you have two anchor points or anchor hooks on each seat, that is below each seat, and these are for the child car seat. We're going to use these and run our straps with the cam buckle through here and then attach it to our anchor plate, which is attached on the subwoofer box. Again, as I mentioned earlier, in my case I did not plan this properly, so I had to come up with this workaround wherein I have used another cam strap and created two loops on it. So here is the one, and then up there you can see the other one. So our cam strap now is running through this anchor, going through that loop, and we have enough tension to make sure that the box does not tip towards the tail lights. Similarly, I have another cam strap over here going through the other hook, which is on the driver side, and again same thing, enough tension over there to make sure that the subwoofer box in the trunk of the Mustang does not tip over towards the tail light. And again, we haven't drilled any holes because we are using the existing hooks for the child car seat. Now into the trunk, I have another cam strap which is attached to your bolt over there, which you would actually use in case you were having a cargo net. In certain Mustang models, I think 2005 to 2009, you did have something over here wherein you can attach a cargo net, but in the newer ones, we don't have anything like that. So I had to buy some anchor plates from Amazon, and that is what I am using. This here is I think it's a 13 mm bolt, and the anchor plate is now attached on both sides. The cam strap is running through that, and then my front anchor points for the subwoofer. Again, enough tension to make sure that the box does not tip over towards the driver or the passenger or towards the front of the car if I am braking hard. And again, the purpose was to not drill any holes, so we haven't drilled any hole. We are using the existing bolt over here, and for the front side we are using the child car seat hooks, and there it is, peeps. That is how you secure a subwoofer box in the trunk of your Ford Mustang. This here is a 2013 Ford Mustang, so this process should work for all S197s, that is 2005 through 2014. And of course, if you have a better way, something which is better than what I am doing over here, please feel free to mention it in the comments of this video so that other Mustang owners can get help and knowledge about securing a subwoofer box in the trunk of your Ford Mustang. And before I forget, I'm pretty sure a lot of you might ask me, hey Manchi, why are you not using ratchet straps? Well, the reason for not using ratchet straps is the fact that they have a lot of hardware and they might rattle, which is why I am using straps with a cam buckle, because there isn't enough hardware over here which is going to rattle, but it will still provide me enough tension so that the box does not tip over on either side, again towards the front or towards the back under heavy braking or heavy acceleration.